Okay, hey there, AMS crew. I just wanted to make this quick video because today is an asynchronous day, meaning you can work at your own pace for the assignment today, but I want to get you set and good to go. I also want to make sure that you know that there is no win today. It is Wednesday, so we are no winning on Wednesday. So when you finish your assignment, you finish your assignment, okay? So I'm going to want to take a look at it at 3 o'clock because tomorrow we're going to work in breakout groups. We'll have spokespersons and individuals who work as the scribes to be able to clarify and go over particular questions, and each group is going to be responsible for sharing out to the larger group their answers. So let's get right into it. First of all, you're going to do this investigation 3.1 now that we're out of investigation 2, which is titled Multiplication Patterns with Integers. Now, it's really important that you read the scenario here, which has students in a relay race. And I tried to annotate it so that you can see positive numbers are speeds that are going to the right. So if Hannah starts and runs from -50 to +50, Hannah's here and she's going to 50, she's going to the right. So that would be a positive scenario in which her movement is, right? And then when we look at negative numbers are going to the left. So if we're looking at, someone running in one direction but going towards the left, then that's going to be negative. So what you're asked to do is for each of them, write number sentences from where they started to where the change in movement was to where they ended. Okay, it's going to force you to think a little bit, but that's okay. And of course, we're going to go over it tomorrow during class. All right. In this next question, Kamal's using red and black chips to model a relay race, but he does this and he draws the following chipboard to represent Arila's part of the race. How does the chipboard relate to your work? And so you're asked to answer that question. And then here, you're asked to look at some of the patterns here, okay? So 5 times 3 equals 15, times 5, 2 equals 10, 5 times 1 equals 5, 5 times 0 equals 0. What do you notice about the products? What's happening? And then you're asked to predict the products for the following here. And remember, just please make sure you write by the yellow highlighted bullet, okay? And so that's 3.1. 3.2, very similar to what we did in 2.2. And I believe in 1.2, which you have problems in each group, and you'll be asked to solve those problems. But more importantly, once again, look at the patterns. So in group 1, here's some problems. Group 2, here's some problems. Group 3, here's some problems. What do they all have in common? And then you're asked to, of course, find the products for each of those in each group and create 2 new problems for each group. Okay, and as you scroll down to the next page, then you're asked to find the product of those. And for D, asked to first predict a sign. Is it going to be positive or negative when you have 7 times -8 times -3? Okay, please do me a favor, really just exercise your thinking and take a risk as opposed to worrying so much about getting the right exact answer. What do you think? What seems reasonable? What seems logical? And why, of course, okay? So hope I was clear on explaining that. Those are the only 2 tasks that you have to do. As you notice, I'm making this video pretty early, but this won't be scheduled and available to you until 8:45. Best of luck. I will not be responding to emails today or in Google Hangouts. So tomorrow we'll be in touch. All right.